Balancing work and parenting responsibilities can be challenging, but with effective strategies and proper organization, it is possible to find harmony between the two. Here are some strategies to help you manage both areas of your life. Set priorities. Determine what matters most to you and your family. This will help you focus your time and energy on the most important tasks and activities. Establish a schedule. Create a daily or weekly schedule that includes both work and family time. Stick to it as much as possible to maintain consistency and predictability for everyone involved. Divide responsibilities with your partner. If you have a partner, work together to divide parenting duties and household chores. Sharing responsibilities can lighten the load for both of you. Prioritize self-care. Take care of yourself physically and mentally. When you are well rested and mentally refreshed, you can better handle the challenges of both work and parenting. Be efficient at work. Maximize your productivity during work hours to minimize the need for overtime or taking work home. Eliminate distractions and focus on completing tasks promptly. Utilize childcare and support. Consider using childcare services or getting help from family members, friends, or neighbors. Having support can give you some time to focus on work without worrying about your child's care. Embrace flexibility. Be open to adjusting your plans when necessary. Unexpected situations may arise, and being flexible will help you adapt to changes more effectively. Limit screen time. Both for yourself and your children, it's essential to limit excessive screen time and focus on meaningful interactions during family time. Plan ahead. Plan and prepare as much as possible in advance. This includes meal prepping, organizing outfits, and setting up work tasks, so you have a smoother day ahead. Stay organized. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to keep track of work and family commitments. Practice work-life integration. Rather than trying to strictly separate work and family life, find ways to integrate the two. This might involve bringing your child to work for a short visit or using work breaks for quick family interactions. Remember that achieving a perfect balance may not always be possible, but these strategies can help you navigate the challenges and find a balance that works best for you and your family. Flexibility, patience, and self-compassion are crucial as you navigate the juggling act of work and parenting responsibilities.